Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's review video is Mpix. Now if you don't know what Mpix is a photo service that a lot of photographers use. They do anything and everything you can think of, mugs, photo books, the whole 9 yards. And today we are going to be reviewing a wall art collage that I ordered of my daughter's first birthday. Now these photos are almost 2 years old. It's taken me this long to decide what I wanted. I do apologize, the sun is very bright today, but I wanted to do this while I had good lighting because the last couple of days have been just very dreary and stuff up here. So let's open this thing. This package is heavy. This is how big this thing is. I think I ordered 13 photos altogether. Now this is a wall mount. It's supposed to come with pegs that poke into the wall, I believe, and then you just hang the pictures on. So I'm not really sure how this is going to go. Now these are not framed photos. These are just almost like tile photos. It's just a photo slapped on a tile with a big printing machine. Watch me cut myself. Come on. But I hope you guys are having a beautiful day because this package does not want to open. Okay. There we go. Alright, so we got all the tape off. This is actually in 2 different bags. Let's see. So much plastic. Oh my god. This is beyond stupid. Template. This is a template. That's a mighty big template. Holy crap. Okay. Now if you're wondering what collage area I want, this right here. Okay. This collage right here with all the darkened ones, that's the collage I ordered. And maybe I'm starting to regret that now. So things you'll need: paper template, foam spacers, the pegs, painter's tape, and a tape measure. Please visit wallcollages.com/install/327. 8 by 6 grade page. This looks complicated. Oh my. Let's look at the photos. See if we can do. No, like I said, these are almost 2 years old. So. My baby, my youngest baby is all grown up. I had her a black and white or black and gold theme. My daughter is mixed, so my husband's Hispanic and obviously I'm white. Oh goodness, oh goodness. Here we go. That's adorable. Oh, let's look at the smaller ones. So there's foam in between. Oh my god. Look at this. Now, I think these do come off of here because otherwise why wouldn't they? Oh, okay, so this is like a real hard plastic, it feels like. I don't want to put my fingers on there because, yeah. But anyway, oh my gosh, look at that. How is that not adorable? Okay, I won't show you the rest of them because they're just kind of redundant. But I'm really loving these. Oh, she was blowing kisses and stuff like that. Wow. Oh yeah. There we go. The bathtub and the cake and the... How can you not love that? As I foam it on top of each other. I will put another foam board thing down. I think I ordered more pictures. Oh, we gotta get eating the cake. And the cake I actually made for her. I'm a cake decorator by trade, freelance cake decorator. So I actually made that cake for her. It's a black and gold unicorn cake. And then she was covered in cake at that point. I love that. She just covered. So much. Huge thank you to my photographer. Alright, now let's go hang these things up. Hey you guys, so I know I look completely different for this next part of the video because I'm actually filming this part of the video 3 days later after I just made that little bit, because you know, I looked all glamorous-ish, but you know, this is real life, come on, and dishes are real life. But anyway, I wanted to show you like the unboxing process, taking the pictures off, in other words. So I'm going to flip my camera around and show you what I mean. Okay, so this is what I mean. These are the things that they come on, as you can see, and then these are already not attached anymore. These are the little 5-inch squares. They're so cute. Let me show you. For a good size reference, this is a regular kitchen spoon, and these are 5x5s. These are like really super glamorous, and oh, just to show you, give you an idea of the sizes. But you might be wondering why I'm wearing gloves. I highly recommend, because these aren't your typical run-of-the-mill portraits per se. These have like these can get fingerprints on them very easily, as I had it on that other picture over there. So I highly recommend you wear some sort of latex gloves, not even or whatever. I highly recommend you wear some sort of glove, something that's not going to make an abrasion on this or leave fingerprints, but try and hold them at the sides of the thing. Anyway, I'm almost undoing this, and I wanted to show you in yeah, anyway, okay. Now, if you're going to do this on a kitchen counter like me, flip these over on this or some sort of soft cloth, because again, if you have a residue on here and you have white countertops and you're not aware of it, you never know what can happen. So, oh, the baby. All right, so we're going to turn this over, and I'm going to show you guys to do this. Now, if you have pictures on the side over here, do this with both hands, because this can actually come off very easily with the weight of the little pictures on it. I had to learn that the hard way and almost dropped one, and God forbid if I almost broke it. Okay, so let's turn this around. I'm gonna come get my husband to hold the camera so you guys can see what's going on. Okay, so I had to get my camera stand instead, but I really want you guys to see how this whole process is done. Now, this is all paper. It comes off pretty easily. It's almost like a fork split. But you want to be careful and go slowly, because the paper does rip. It's already ripped a little bit on the back of other papers. See what I mean? Now, what they don't tell you in the collaged video per se is the whole gloves issue. See, there's that one. Now, put these on top. I'm just gonna kind of set that on top because I'm running out of these. This is my only one left. And then this is the last one that we will be undoing. Look how cute! So this is what the back comes like. And also too, I'm gonna show you with the pegs. Now the pegs actually, when they go into the wall, you have that grid thing that I showed you in the beginning, and the pictures will actually go like that on the thing. I don't know how well you can see that, but that is how they will go in. So the pegs actually have to get drilled into the wall first, and then you have to tap these in with a hammer. Or you can go the other route, which is not suggested by them, but I'm using these. I'm using the smaller ones, well, more like these ones, for the 5-inch ones, and then I'm going to be using 4 of these on the bigger pictures. So, yeah. So anyway, let us just continue to take this off. Now, again, everything is up to you and optional, but I don't want to put a gajillion holes in my wall and having to drill, because honestly, I don't know how to use a drill, and I just, yeah, me and heavy duty machinery type of stuff. I know some of you might laugh at that, but we just, yeah, me and that type of stuff just don't mix. There we go, ta-da! And the little ones come out the same exact way. So there we go. All right, let's move on. Okay, you guys, so I really want to give you a look as to what you see when you come in our house. So this is our staircase. It goes like this and then up. So as you come in through the front door right here, you actually look up, and then I'll move the camera. You actually look up and see this. That's an empty ledge up there. We haven't really done anything. I do have a crap ton of pictures like over here in my living room, but this is something. So you can see the angle of the staircase is going this way. This is the original print that I was going to go with. So the print would have been going like this. Hold on, baby. But I was thinking about this for the last couple of days because I got sidetracked, woohoo. I'm actually going to flip I had to write on this. I'm actually going to flip this around and make it to where it's coming down with the staircase itself. So my husband is gonna have to help me because, you know, I'm not that tall and I need a leveler, and he's not much taller than me, but he's got longer arms and I don't like getting up on ladders. So yeah, this is what you see, and that's how we're gonna do things. And we're gonna start it off with the big ones. So it's the big ones, and I'm gonna go with the theme of like the bathtub, the cake smash, and then the smiley faces of her. So let's get started. Yep. Wow, that took about 45 minutes to hang all those up. Now, we did not use a grid. You know, this was the original design, but with the angle of the wall, I don't think I took that into consideration. Instead of making this, we had to go more like this because of the angle of the steps and that little space up there. Now, if you're wondering why we put that extra picture up at the top, I know it looks a little funky and not really following a design. It would have looked better at the bottom, but because I have an autistic child, not that that's really an excuse, but he walks down the wall like this, and if I was to, well, if we were to have put that picture any lower, he would have bumped it. That's how tall this little boy is. His sister is almost 8, oldest sister is almost 8, and he's about 3 inches taller than her. That's how big he is, and he's only 6. So that, and just the kids in general will walk along the wall like that at a scoot, and I didn't want them to knock that down. All of the big pictures had 4 strips, and all of the little ones had 2. We didn't put the grid up because, yeah, anyway. So, let's get back to the basics. I love Mpix. I am going to order more collages from them. I think this is a great project. This big of a collage is a 2 person type of job, so I highly recommend that you use a friend, or if you're handy like that, that's good. But if you're like me and you're not handy like that, get a friend to help you. They do have smaller collages that go for like $84, and they also have bigger collages that go up to $1,022. Oh my god, but that consists of like 84 photos, I think it is. I keep saying they. I can't see myself drilling a gajillion holes where these pegs should be, because you have to drill a hole and then put the peg in, and you gotta like tape up the grid that they send you, and it's not even the same size as this. It's just a big square piece of paper. That doesn't make sense to me. I know the little photos are maybe this much from this one or this much from this one, and that's okay because of the awkward angle of the steps. But overall, I'm very happy with this. I will be ordering more photos in the future from them. Most of my old photos come from Shutterfly, but again, I didn't really like their product, so I love their photo books, but I'm not too keen on their collages that I've had in the past because they just didn't look good to me. It didn't feel like the same quality. No, it could have just been my stuff. I don't know if I'm the only one out there that's had a negative experience with that, but I have. Anyway, so I will be like ordering summer pictures. I won't be ordering formal photos like that was for a cake smash photo shoot. I'll be ordering like pictures you take off of your phone and stuff like that, because that's what I just like. I like the family moments, the in-depth moments, the moments you can't get back, like when the kids are in the pool, just where it doesn't require a professional photographer. And those I'm actually going to order, try and order in squares instead of the big ones, because I want a lot of the little ones. That way you can just feel like more in the moment, where there's not such a one that's in your face, because if it's not a great quality picture and you choose to blow that one up, it's gonna seem really pixelated and look very blurred, if you will. So anyway, that has been my experience. I've had a great experience with this, but get a friend to help you. And I hope you come back for another video, and we'll see what I review next. See you next time. Bye.